Oh shit, hold on. So my sponsor for today, Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A sponsor for today. Anybody else who want to sponsor me, you can DM me. I'll work with a good thing, you know? Borrow Betsy, you can borrow Betsy. But you have to subscribe to the channel and you have to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And when you're on the bike, you can go to the test. Invisible. Yeah. See back. Yeah. We'll go on YouTube. People ever ask about if learners can ride bike. I don't forget something like this. Oh no, you don't know this. This oh around it. I know this. But actually this. See this? Oh, you get this. So this is basically a motorcycle license. Yeah. So. And if learners can ride bike. Alright, before getting to the video, make sure to follow me Instagram and me TikTok. Hold on, I'm tired. Oh, wow. Yeah, and before we go any further, make sure to subscribe and like your video. Yeah, so, oh yeah, if you don't want a charger, if you don't want iPhone fast charger or Android fast charger, you can link me up. 2-5 I have them deliver free in a Kingston or we can not sword. I'm not rob nobody. You see it, so support movement. But yeah, what about the element sticker? They wanna like them? They're kinda sick though. Watch it. Woo! Smooth. But yeah. Can learners ride bike? Well, learners not really ride bike. Are really the person. But if police catch you, ain't a problem. Cause them stop it. Back then, you could have used learners and ride a bike, but you could have carried a brilliant. But now you can't use learners. You have to have something we say. Let me see if I can put this up to the camera. I have to have something we say this. So you see, wait, move. You see this say motor cars, blah 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 blah, and then it go say motorcycle. Yeah, motorcycle. Good. So yeah, I have something like this. If I tell you, the first time when police stop me, policeman say, I told them, one man and one woman, them say, yo, you have license? Say, yeah. Man say, see it? The man get curious now, you know. Man say, see it? I say, alright, see. Man say, boom, boy, youth. You're the first man I see one of them now. Man say, yo. But tell all your friend them say you get them license to me. I say, brother, I don't have no friend. But anyways, if you get the license, it's simple. You have to do book test, multiple choice, and you have to do a yard test. If you can ride good, brother, at the same thing we do every day, you gotta do on a track. You have to do a hill start. So basically, you have to have the bike on a hill, right? Put the bike in a one, man gonna tell us you lock off your bike. You lock off the bike, you might tell us, alright, you move off the bike and you go around. I put it on a little steep hill. It's not really steep. Everybody know how they put hill steep. One little blah blah hill. You have to move off, but don't make the bike run back. Well, I'm out of breath. Oh God. Make sure to subscribe, you know, because the amount of work I put in for that video, yeah, it's not easy, man. Come on, bro. Subscribe to the channel. shit. People clothes. Oh, God. The washing machine almost overflowed my clothes in there. But yeah. Oh, God. Woo! That's what I say. So, you have to go do multiple choice. And you have to go do a yard test. Multiple choice, I'm going to ask you about traffic. If you park, and it's not going to be about motorcycle, so do not think it's not going to be about motorcycle. It's going to be like a general knowledge. They can find a little red book. Some people know the red book there. Them two people take the red book, yeah. If you have the red book, it's why them questions never come back. So like, if you park one vehicle, if you must turn in the front wheel to the curb or away from the curb, them question there. A long time I do it. I have a lies about. Hold on. 2025? No, 2023. 2023. 23, 24, 25. So 3 years, not the license. So basically, the hill start, put the bike in one gear, you have to move off, don't make the bike run back. Do not make the bike run back, you're good. You go around. So you go around now, you have to go through some cone. The cone then you have to go through, when you're going to start on the left side of the cone, you have to make the bike run off, and you put out your left hand, if you say you're going to start on the left side, and you go, bam, 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 and you go to the last cone, you go around the last cone, and you come up back through the cone then, bam, 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 bam. Alright, you come back, you stop and you park. Then you have to go down again. You go up on the right hand side this time. So right, bam, 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 go down, turn, come up back. Get me? That's something I would do every day. The man them love dilly-dally through traffic and through the middle and through the white line, where broken white lines. A simple thing for you, bro. So, 8.5 with a license. All you have to do, go to the tax office and you buy the fee. Yo, I'm still tired, can run go. People, if I'm so tired of the machine, I run go look on the machine and it overflow. So me that feel, you know? Yeah. But make sure to like, share, and subscribe because I put in the work in the people. We need for reach 1K subscribers. And make sure you follow my business page on Instagram and on TikTok, please, and thanks. Yeah, so you buy the fee at tax office, you fill out the form, I'm going to give you one form. I think a depot them get the form. I think you either get it from a depot, solar field, or them can get it from my tax office. You fill out the form. If you never recently get a driver's license, then probably have to go do a medical. So you have to go on doctor to check you up. Think about 3 or 4 passport size picture. Probably work with 4, if anything. 4 passport size picture. Make them stamp by JP. I tell them a secret. JP, they're all over. Who can read between the line, read between the line. JP, they're all over. So read between the line. Yeah, JP, they're all over. You know? All over. So depot is an all over place too. Where you can do whole heap of business at depot. Get me? Yeah. So when you go to boom now, your passport size picture of the farm and you pay a fee, depot will give you a date for come to the test. So you go to the test, people may tell you, one big chaptin man around there, the man tall, you know, man. People make sure to subscribe, you know. The man tall, you know. Don't play with them man there. Them man they will tell you, say, oi, go your yard, man. Go your yard. You see it? So you go around there, just use this. Listen. When him tell us you start the bike, go around there, so just do him say. If he say park, you just park and easy back and wait for him. But yeah, that's basically it. That's all I need. That's all I need. Go by the fee at the tax office, fill out the form, do medical if you not no license or a long time, you do medical. JP to my passport size picture them. Get the date. When you get the date, go to the test. As I say, you can find the red book and read up the red book and see if that can help you out. That's a multiple choice question. Like, if you see a broken white line, should you overtake? I like them things there. Me personally, I never get to do that test there. Yeah, I did do it. I never do it. I think I never do it. Because I recently do my driver's license. But as Andrew Honest did come out and say, yo, no more riders, no more learners ride license can ride bike, I did have to change it over instantly. So they saw that I did just the driver's license. So them just say you're going to give my date and I can come back and just rare and do the yard test and him done. Man them, I don't know what I got pay no money if you get the license. Cause watch this, I got about $5,000 for the fee. I will spend 25K or probably 30 or more to get one license where you ride your bike every single day. Oh yeah, forgot. You have to carry your own bike. So if you're on a bike by your friend bike, your uncle, your cousin bike, your neighbor bike, and them rent bike down there to see you can. I think I took on the last time. Them tell me they have a Jamaican tea. And the woman told me, so, yo, the Jamaican tea bike can't do it, you know. The Jamaican tea bike can't go do it because they're too big. And man, come on, feel. People, YouTube, when I tell you, say, oh, my sponsor for today, Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A sponsor for today. Anybody else who want to sponsor me, you can DM me. I'll work with a good thing, you know? Cool. But yeah, back to the video. Them some bike can't work and me have to rent a bike, so me get nervous now, you know, so me go rent a bike. I could get a bike for rent, you know me, you know? Jump on my Jamaican tea, you know, man. And I stay so bam. Yes, when me hear say me pass. Me I say, yo, look how I could lose $2,000. So, as I say, borrow a bike you're comfortable with. I'm gonna do the test, bro. It's simple. But getting a rider's license, you can't ride on the road and run from police every day. You tell the police, brother, where's the black hands them? Them man just want to see you run. So as I say, I recap again. You need a passport size picture of the farm, medical, JP stamp it up, get a date, get a bike, prepare for one test, and prepare for do a little riding. The regular normal riding. Is it? Yeah, man. If you want to do an actual like a demonstration, like the cone thing, the hill start, and the like probably see if I can get some of the question them. Just comment down below, and we can see if we can try to work out something. Or if you want to go around there and see if nothing change. Cause a long time I do it, you know, as I say from 2023. This is my license. 2023, everything go on. See, yeah? 2023, everything go on. So, it probably changed by now. Get me? But either way, you have to go do a yard test, and you have to go do one paper test, and you have to get a picture of them, your passport size picture of them, and you have to fill out the form, and you have to get the date. So, it probably going to be the same thing. You can rent another bike too, you know. If you don't want to borrow Betsy, you can borrow Betsy. But you have to subscribe to the channel, and you have to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And you run the bike, you can go do the test. Alright? Yeah, man, that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm out.